up, guys? It's your girl Estä, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun, and I am back with another video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you so much, and thank you to all my new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. The button's right down below. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright, so elephant in the room. It is 9:29 p.m. Yes, I am a night owl. I wash my hair at night. I could wash my hair in the morning, I could wash my hair in the afternoon, but I always choose to wash my hair at night. I don't know why it happens. Listen, there's no explanation. All I know is that I wash my hair at night. And also, I do not air dry my hair. If I happen to wash my hair in the afternoon or something, I will blow dry my hair. I will not air dry. I do not like wet hair. Sus. I don't like wet hair. Okay, so this video is going to be jam-packed with a lot of information. And I want to also tell you thank you for your patience with me. I will have all the details and information here while I'm doing the video, and also I will have all the information that you need down below in the description box, as in the shampoos that I use, the tools that I'm going to be using, and the video to the giveaway. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and start braiding and banding my hair. Well, braiding and putting the elastics to my hair, and you're going to hear my voiceover after this. Hold on, pause, give me a few seconds, bring it back. I was trying to go away too soon, but I broke this video down into sections. So the first section is me basically braiding my hair, washing my hair. The second section is me getting out the shower and showing you what I actually put on my ends and the blow drying method. Also, this month, or this, for this retie that I'm going to have in a couple of days, I need to trim my hair. So this is the video where you're going to actually see me trim my hair. The reason being for me to trim my hair at this time is because my hair is starting to get a little crusty, and I don't know what's going on with my ends, but they're like not cooperating the way they need to be. So it's time for a trim. Remember when I told you, you gotta listen to your hair. In the third section, you will see me basically attempt a style. Mind you, I don't know what the style is going to be, but you will see it towards the end of the video and me creating that style. Now, I'm trying my best to create more videos with styles. I am very lazy. I'm lazy. I'm tender-headed too. So, I'm gonna try, okay? I know I'm listening. Yes. I'm gonna try. Okay, so that basically sums up the content of this video. The next clips are going to be voiceovers. You're gonna hear this beautiful voice on the mic. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Move out the way, Bunny's coming through. Ooh, bars. Listen, I'm on a roll tonight. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this hair because it's gonna be a little long night. This video is really extended. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna really try. Hey guys, it's voiceover Estä here, and clearly you can see in this clip I'm separating my hair. I'm going to braid my hair and put the elastics towards the end. I have like this little pom-pom method that I do. I never tuck in my ends. I do have a video of me doing my whole one-on-one braid and band with me. I will leave that down in the description box below. There's a reason why I don't
tuck in my ends because I expose my ends. I like my ends exposed, and also I don't close my ends, but I'll get into that in another video. The shampoo that I'm using in this clip is called 31 by TNÖRFE. This is my clarifying shampoo. I will leave that in the description box below. I dilute all my shampoos. I place this shampoo in a spray bottle for easier access. Also, you will see me use another shampoo, which is called Black Osha, and that shampoo is also down in the description box too. I know that some of you guys are wondering, why is this girl wearing gloves? I wash my hair with gloves. It's for easier slip. Also, you won't have the soggy fingers when you get out the shower. Also, you get even more of like a lather for some reason. I don't know what it is. You get much more of a lather with gloves. I wash my hair 3 times with shampoo. The first wash basically lifts up all the oil. You met her, then put me up. After the first wash, look at all the buildup. Look at that. That's when I go in for a second wash to basically break down all the oils that's on my scalp, because I do use oil in my scalp. You gotta make sure you wash your hair, y'all. When I tell you clean scalp is very important, clean scalp is so important. Here you can see that I have a little bit of buildup left. I will go for the third wash, and that's when you see that I basically broke down all of the buildup in my hair. That's why I do 3 washes when I wash my hair. So if you do see that your scalp is like a little dirty, don't be alarmed, don't be scared. Just wash it at least 3 times. And if you want to feel safe, wash it 4 times. In this clip, it looks like I'm washing my hair aggressively. I promise you I'm not. I'm tender-headed. I've repeated that multiple times. Yes, I am very tender-headed. But I go in. When I wash my hair, I make sure I take every nook and cranny, every crevice. See, there's nothing to worry about. Look at that. Freshly clean hair. No buildup in sight. Once I'm done, I basically just take a black t-shirt and just wrap my hair with it. This is what my ends look like after I brushed and trimmed them. On this side, you can basically see that I did not brush or trim. You can see all my curls, they're all clumped up. Here's how I keep my ends open and give myself a trim. First, I would add an oil towards my end. I have added Nay's Happiness towards my end. Then I would take my diamond brush through all of my ends. Then I would take Evanescence, which is my hair butter, that will be down in the description box. I will place that towards my end. Then I would spray my hair with Ocean Bliss to loosen up all the oils that I put on my ends to give my hair much more of a looser texture, because when your hair is wet, it's a little looser. So when you have looser ends, you don't cut too much end. Ooh, the fun part, not really. You can see all through my face that I really hate to blow dry my hair, but I gotta do what I gotta do. All right, so I would take apart my braids, then I would add a little bit of Evanescence through my gloves and run it through the shaft of the hair. Then I would also take Nay's Happiness, also run that through the shaft of my hair. Then I will go in and separate at the roots. Once I separate at the roots, that's when I go ahead and take Ocean Bliss to seal in everything that I put in my hair and blow dry. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it A1 with you. I don't know what the flip toast I'm doing here. So, you'll see. This is the style that, listen, I don't understand, but like I said, I tried, okay? I really tried. Like, I really tried. I mean, it got an unexpected turn of events, but yeah, I tried. Whenever I do styles, I always snip my ends, especially after a fresh trim, just to be sure I got everything. If you guys are interested in this do-rag, I made the do-rag myself. Please give this video a thumbs up and I will basically create a video on details on how to get the do-rag.
It was a ponytail in the back. I unclipped it, and the clips are holding my hair taut in place. I don't have any elastic there to hold it. And that is basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video, and thanks for staying to the end. I really appreciate you. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification. They are literally right next to each other. Leave a few comments down below of what you think about my style and what are some of the things that you use in your wash routine. And listen, I really tried this time to do a style, so give this video a thumbs up. I will keep on trying. I'm really bad at this, y'all. I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye. This bathroom is too hot. Oh no, what's going on here? See a little snaggeroo there. I'm gonna cut that off. Today's saying not today. Bye.